What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there.
Oh my goodness.
Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, 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 Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore. Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, that's me, Snape, Harry, 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Dumbledore, Snape, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
Those are different characters.
Voldemort.